Have you ever paused for a moment and truly wondered what rare gems might be quietly tucked away in your kitchen cabinets? Most of us see our pantries as a place for everyday essentials, maybe a few cans, some pasta, and a jar or two of sauce. But what if, hidden among the ordinary, there were ingredients so rare and precious, their stories could rival those of ancient treasures? We're not talking about that old can of beans you keep meaning to use, but something far more extraordinary. Ingredients with rich histories, fascinating origins, and sometimes a price tag that might surprise you. These are the culinary world's best-kept secrets, quietly waiting to be discovered in the most unexpected places. Imagine opening your pantry and finding ingredients that are not just food, but artifacts of culture and geography, treasures that have traveled across continents and centuries. These hidden gems are more than just flavors. They're stories, traditions, and sometimes even symbols of status and celebration. It's easy to overlook them, but once you know their value, you'll never see your kitchen the same way again. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure, raiding the pantry to uncover 5 of the world's most expensive and sought-after ingredients. Each one has an incredible story to tell, tales of ancient rituals, secret harvesting methods, and the passionate people who dedicate their lives to bringing these delicacies to our tables. From the sun-drenched saffron fields of Iran to the misty, mysterious forests of Japan where rare mushrooms grow, these ingredients connect us to distant lands and age-old traditions. They remind us that food is more than sustenance. It's a bridge to other cultures, a link to history, and sometimes, a true luxury. By the end of this journey, you might find yourself looking at that tiny jar in your spice rack with a whole new sense of wonder. What seems small and unassuming could be worth its weight in gold, both in flavor and in story. So, let's pull back the curtain and reveal the secrets of saffron, Matsutake mushrooms, white truffles, Alma's caviar, and Kopi luwak, the culinary superstars that might just be hiding in plain sight, waiting for you to discover their magic. Let's begin our journey with saffron, often called the crimson gold of the kitchen. This remarkable spice is not only the world's most expensive but also one of its most enchanting. Its vibrant color and intoxicating aroma have captivated cooks, healers, and royalty for centuries. Saffron is usually found in a tiny jar, filled with delicate, deep red threads. Each thread is actually the dried stigma of the Crocus sativus flower, and it takes thousands of these flowers to fill even a small container. That's why saffron is so precious. Every jar is the result of immense effort and care. Saffron's value is legendary, with a history stretching back over 3,500 years. Ancient civilizations prized it not just as a spice, but as a vibrant dye for royal robes, a luxurious perfume, and even a powerful medicine believed to heal and invigorate. From the palaces of Persia to the markets of ancient Rome, saffron was a symbol of wealth and status. The secret behind saffron's rarity lies in its harvest. Each Crocus sativus flower blooms for just a few days each year, and each one yields only 3 fragile stigmas. These must be picked by hand, early in the morning, to preserve their delicate flavor and color. The plant itself can only be propagated by hand, making the entire process incredibly labor-intensive and time-consuming. In the kitchen, saffron's magic is undeniable. Its flavor is subtle yet powerful, earthy, floral, and slightly sweet. Just a pinch can transform an ordinary dish into something extraordinary, infusing it with a golden hue and a complex aroma. Classic dishes like Spanish paella, Persian jeweled rice, and Italian risotto alla Milanese all owe their signature color and taste to saffron. Because saffron is so valuable, it's often imitated or adulterated. To test your saffron, place a few threads in warm water. Genuine saffron will slowly release a rich golden color, while the threads themselves remain red. If the water colors instantly, or the threads lose their color, it's likely a fake. This simple test helps ensure you're experiencing the true essence of saffron. The high price of saffron is a testament to its rarity, the painstaking labor required to harvest it, and the centuries-old traditions that have been passed down through generations. In regions like Iran, Kashmir, and Spain, entire communities come together during the short harvest season, working by hand in the early morning light to gather these precious threads. Saffron isn't just a spice, it's a symbol of luxury, tradition, and human ingenuity. Its journey from flower to jar is a story of patience, skill, and reverence for nature's gifts. Owning even a small amount connects you to a rich tapestry of history and culture. So, the next time you see that tiny jar in your pantry, remember, it holds not just a world of flavor, but centuries of tradition, artistry, and the enduring allure of the world's most precious spice. Saffron's astronomical cost comes from its painstaking harvest. The crocus blooms for just a few weeks in autumn, and workers must handpick the flowers at dawn before the sun wilts them. Each flower's 3 crimson stigmas are plucked by hand, a process requiring immense patience and skill. It takes about 75,000 flowers to produce a single pound of dried saffron. After harvesting, the threads are gently dried, concentrating their flavor and color. This entire process is done by hand, passed down through generations in places like Iran, Spain, and India. Saffron's price reflects thousands of hours of skilled labor and a deep connection between field and table. Next, we move to the Matsutake mushroom, a fragrant treasure of Japanese cuisine. Its spicy pine-like aroma signals autumn's arrival and commands prices up to $2,000 per pound. Matsutake can't be farmed, they grow wild in symbiosis with the roots of Japanese red pines. Decades ago, they were common, but disease and habitat loss have made them rare and precious. In Japan, Matsutake are revered, often given as gifts and prepared simply to honor their unique scent. Whether grilled, steamed, or cooked with rice, the goal is always to showcase their fleeting natural beauty. Matsutake mushrooms are a celebration of season, place, and the delicate balance of nature. Finding Matsutake is a secretive, challenging tradition. These mushrooms grow hidden beneath leaves at the base of pine trees, camouflaged and hard to spot. Foragers rely on subtle clues and years of experience, fiercely guarding their best spots. The best Matsutake are firm, with unopened caps, aroma at its peak. Harvesting is done with care to protect the underground mycelium, ensuring future harvests. Japanese Matsutake are the gold standard, but similar mushrooms are found in China, Korea, and North America. Still, connoisseurs insist nothing matches the aroma and flavor of those from Japan. The Matsutake hunt is a testament to tradition, skill, and the power of terroir. If Matsutake are forest jewels, white truffles are its buried diamonds. Found in Italy's Piedmont region, white truffles are legendary for their pungent, unforgettable aroma. They're always served raw, shaved over simple dishes. Cooking destroys their delicate scent. White truffles resist cultivation. Everyone must be foraged from the wild during a brief autumn season. Truffle hunters, or triffalau, rely on specially trained dogs to sniff out these treasures. The secretive nocturnal hunts, and the deep bond between hunter and dog, add to the truffle's mystique. A perfect white truffle is a fleeting triumph, nature's most exquisite, ephemeral gift. Now, the epitome of edible luxury, Alma's caviar. Harvested from the rare albino beluga sturgeon in the Caspian Sea, Alma's caviar can fetch over $25,000 per kilogram. Its golden pearlescent eggs are prized for their buttery, delicate flavor and rarity. The beluga sturgeon is a living fossil, taking up to 20 years to produce eggs. The albino variety is even rarer. Strict regulations and sustainable farming now protect this endangered species. Alma's caviar is traditionally served cold, with non-metallic spoons to preserve its subtle taste. Each egg is a burst of ancient seas and ultimate extravagance. It's not just food, it's a symbol of history, rarity, and luxury. Our final stop, Kopi Luwak, the world's most expensive and controversial coffee. Its secret, coffee cherries eaten and digested by the Asian palm civet, then collected, washed, and roasted. Enzymes in the civet's stomach ferment the beans, creating a coffee that's smooth, low in acidity, and complex in flavor. Originally discovered by Indonesian farmers, Kopi Luwak's popularity has led to ethical concerns. Many civets are now caged and force-fed. Wild-sourced beans are rare and even pricier, as consumers demand more ethical practices. For some, it's a unique taste experience. For others, a cautionary tale about the true cost of luxury. Kopi Luwak forces us to consider the ethics behind what we consume. These ingredients are more than just expensive foods, they are the result of centuries of tradition, passion, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Each one carries a legacy, a memory, and a connection to the people and places that brought them to life. They're living stories of human effort, tradition, and nature's scarcity. Saffron, for example, is painstakingly gathered by hand, each delicate thread representing hours of labor. Matsutake mushrooms and truffles are hunted in secret forests, their locations guarded, and their harvests unpredictable. Caviar is the result of generations of knowledge, passed down among fishermen who understand the rhythms of the rivers. And kopi luwak, with its unique journey from cherry to cup, is a testament to patience and curiosity. These rare ingredients remind us that some flavors can't be mass-produced or rushed. They are shaped by the land, the climate, and the hands that nurture them, making each taste a singular experience. They force us to slow down, to appreciate the journey from source to plate, and to savor the taste of place and history. Preparing and enjoying these foods becomes a mindful act, a way to honor the stories and people behind every bite. When we indulge in these luxuries, we're not just eating, we're participating in a cultural ritual that has been repeated for generations. Each meal becomes a celebration, a moment to connect with others and with the past. These foods elevate a meal to an event, connecting us to a wider world of heritage and experience. They remind us that food is a universal language, one that speaks of love, care, and the desire to share something truly special. Next time you find a rare ingredient in your pantry, remember its journey and the story it tells. Think of the hands that picked, prepared, and preserved it, and the traditions that kept it alive. Food is never just food, it's a story worth savoring, one extraordinary bite at a time. Every meal is an invitation to explore, to connect, and to celebrate the richness of our shared human experience.